Hello everyone. In this video, I will brief you about our business intelligence module. So let us go to our business intelligence module. For that, you need to click on browse module and then you need to go to report and intelligence. Now, once you will come to the report and intelligence, please check on the very top. There is a sales and purchase BI. Select on this. Now, what exactly business intelligence stands for and how it becomes helpful. So business intelligence provides you a quick snapshot of exactly where your business is going on. What is the sales graph going? Where the purchase graph is going? If there are any pending orders which need to be delivered, those will come in the highlight. So let me brief you around the sales and purchase. How does it work and how it will be helpful to you? So start from the sales. The very first is your sales overview, which provides you a visibility on how much quotation have been created of how much value month to month, last 30 days, financial year to date, and previous financial year converted quotation, out of which how much quotation is converted along with the percentage, so that you may be able to see that how many quotation are being raised and how much is getting converted, the percentage, so that you may be able to go ahead and check the entire sales orders and then after invoices. So how much order have been raised, order as an order confirmation, and from that how much invoice or direct invoice have been raised. Now coming below, here is the daily monthly pending orders. Now it provides you a calendar view of the pending orders, so that you may be able to be on track and you will be able to see that exactly which order are about to get delayed or which order is already delayed. You can check it as per the monthly, weekly. You can change the month and you can very well go ahead and check it. So please check. Suppose here is this yellow. That means that this order was supposed to be delivered on 17th of May, but till now it is not yet delivered. So that means it is already overdue. So you need to go ahead and focus on that quickly. Here you will get the aggregate view, that exactly total orders, on time delivered, late delivered, and pending along with the amount. Coming below, top 5 pending orders, it gives you the visibility that after clicking on the calendar view, that which orders are pending. Now in the sales performance, week on week, month on month, quarter on quarter. So what data does it represent? So it represents the quotation to order to invoice. So how much quotation have been raised, how much orders have been raised, and how much invoice have been raised. It provides you a graph in this way so that you may be able to go ahead and see the graph. So please check. So here in this particular view, in the very beginning, it was 55,800. After that, it came to 4.37 lakhs. So this is how you can check the growth. Now, let's go below the team performance. It provides you team-wise data, last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, orders booked, orders delivered, and quotation created by which user. So you can very well go ahead and check that which user created how many order and how many orders were booked, how many orders were delivered. So this is how you can check the entire sales data. Now coming to the purchase side. So once I will come in the purchase side, in the purchase it provides the very first preview overview, month to date, last 30 days, how many POs have been created, how many POs have been delivered. Same goes here with the calendar view. It provides you visibility, quick visibility in the week and month, that how much PO have been raised and how much have been received, which are pending order, where you may be able to go ahead and focus more. Now going below, again top 5 pending orders it will provide you. It get changed once you will click on the calendar. In the aggregate view, you will be able to see that how much PO were raised, how much was on time delivery, late delivery, and how much is pending. Now purchase performance, it provides you the data of the purchase order raised, out of which the inward have been done and QC accepted, approved versus rejected POs. So it provides you a visibility of top 5 POs in which how much, once you will go ahead and create a PO, approval is being sent. So you can very well go ahead and check that how many PO have been raised and very well how much have been approved and how many are rejected in the last 7 days, last 30 days. Now, so this is how you can go ahead and check your entire purchase and sales data in the business intelligence form to get a quick snapshot, and it will help you in better decision making. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check your entire business intelligence. Have a good day ahead.